St. Kitts. Although beautiful, things can seem a little backwards here at times. As many of the Caribbean islands, they were once ruled by the British, the French, and the Spanish, and their exports were tobacco and sugarcane. Most of the inhabitants are descendants of West African slaves. 2 islands make up this island nation, Nevis and St. Kitts. Roosters roam freely, right across the street from a famous eatery. I stay at a lot of different resorts and hotels. Some of them are very nice, and some of them are okay. Let's have a look around this place. See that mosquito? Can you see it on my palm? Zika virus, I just killed it. Oh, let me go in the closet. Oh. Everything is unplugged. You gotta plug it in, then turn it on. Once again, unplugged. What's going on down there? Right next to the bed. In the middle of the night. In the middle of the night. Refrigerator just kind of like in the middle. And then there's a desk over here. You open the fridge, and you pull out you can't pull a chair out. You can't sit at the desk. And my view is the Social Security building right next door. This is like film noir. 1942 bathroom. The whole thing is quite ridiculous. I believe I left my rye in the bathroom. Look at that. It looks like someone's trying to dig behind it. Like the Shawshank Redemption. It's like sandpaper. It's stiff. It's just awful. I'm going to paint the wall, and then I'm going to paint the chain. I'm going to paint the wall and the chain at the same time. There's no doorknob on the inside. We got to turn the lock. Let gravity take hold. Grab the edge and open the door. That's awesome. This is my breakfast. It just arrived. It says it was a pancake. I just realized that these are the same dishes I had back in the 1990s when I was living in Providence. Okay, so here's the scoop. I ordered breakfast twice. The first time it was not accurate. Thank you so much. Wow! What a difference. Muchas gracias. Check that out. Round number 2. And the flies are going nuts. They're like, it's here! Okay, now? Oh, excellent. Thank you so much, Alex. You're welcome. I appreciate it. All right. Maybe it's a disability fundraiser. I hope it's not, like a marathon. So Alex is going to show me his Don Carlos Cafe. How long is this? How long you been here now? This one? Like 3 years now. Oh, good for you, man. This is great. Look at this. Who made the beer cans and the wires? I did. That's like art. It's just, it should be in the museum. Yeah. That is awesome. So Alex is very proud of this. He came from the Dominican Republic. He moved to St. Kitts, and he's a businessman. There we go. This is my buddy Alex. He's my new friend. And we're going to come back here and have a cocktail at some point.
Definitely.
Cold beer.
Best place to stay.
Hey man, it really is. And the sea view is. Right around the corner. All right, man. Good luck with everything.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for the tour.
All right.
St. Kitts and Nevis achieved independence in 1983, and it is the newest sovereign state in the Americas. 90% of their economy relies on tourism, and the cruise ship industry, of course. And that's where I come into play. Wow, that guy really has to go. Looking for my cabin. Gotta find my cabin. And there she be. Alright. This is a room. Or a cabin. I missed the drill because I'm meeting the ship in the middle of the cruise. So basically what they're saying is you're on your own. This is from Dee, the stage and production manager, and she says that I have a sound check at 6 o'clock. That gives me around 4 hours. This place has a lawn. Wow. Showtime.